Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about Discord and you can click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support